say hi.
Hi.
Hi. Yeah. Bye. Bye. What's up, everyone? We are Granite Spoon, and tonight we are gonna be making a delicious salad with our frozen pizza.
The salad we're making tonight is gonna be made with field greens, strawberries, blueberries, walnut, goat cheese, and our own homemade honey mustard dressing.
For our pizza tonight, we're gonna be eating this beautiful thin crust margarita pizza from Table 87. And
obsessed.
We're obsessed with it.
Oh my God.
I've never had a pizza that tastes this good that's in a frozen food section. And I would even say that this pizza tastes a lot better than most pizza places around.
Careful.
All right, so what is the first step?
We've got spring mix.
They say eating leafy greens every day helps with your overall mental clarity.
And it helps with the pooping too.
And it helps with the pooping, yeah. But ultimately, it helps reduce the risk of Alzheimer's disease.
Because of the pooping.
That's not funny.
Someone likes goat cheese.
He loves goat cheese.
That's right. Fatten up, boy.
Right now, I'm rinsing strawberries, which they've already been rinsed, but I'm gonna go ahead and rinse them one more time. And the next thing I'm gonna do is rinse the blueberries. Make sure you get all the dirt off of there. They have no smell whatsoever. All right, so now that the fruit's rinsed, she's gonna slice up the strawberry. Bev, did you know that strawberries are the only fruit that wear their seeds on the outside? And now we're gonna add the only food that's ever blue.
And that's blueberries.
Blueberries. These little blue balls are high in fiber and help you feel full faster, so why?
I can agree.
So not only do I love the taste of goat cheese, it's also said to have anti-inflammatory properties. All right, so next we add some walnuts in there.
Like it's literally hard to pick what your favorite
I know.
is of the salad.
And just take a look at this salad. Look at how beautiful that looks. Look how thin that is. It's very thin. All right, Alexa, start a 7-minute timer. So now we're gonna make the dressing, and this is a honey mustard dressing. And Lynn kind of put me onto this, and it's freaking fantastic.
But it's super easy to make. It's basically honey mustard, olive oil, salt, and pepper.
One whisk.
Do you want to do a shot from on top?
So ideally, it's better to consume local honey because it helps with seasonal allergies, but
We just ran out.
yeah, we just ran out, so we need to re-up.
All right, so now this is just spicy brown
You got it on your
mustard.
fingers.
Huh?
You got it on your fingers. There you go.
All right. Spicy brown mustard.
All right. Mm-hmm. Now what?
All right, so I'm just gonna mix it around some, and I'm gonna add olive oil to it.
So add olive oil while you're mixing it?
Yeah, it helps emulsify it, which means like thicken a little bit.
That's a very fancy word.
I'm a very fancy girl. That's pretty good. So you see like how it's all like together?
Oh my gosh.
I know, girl. Stick around.
Wow.
All right, so this is a salt and spice blend, so I don't need to separate the salt and pepper.
A salt and spice blend. I
Yeah,
didn't even
so
know that was a thing.
Me either, till I read it. I thought it was just pepper for the longest.
Whoa. That's a lot of pepper there.
Mm-hmm.
You're gonna make me sneeze.
You want to try it?
I do want to
See how
try
it
it.
tastes?
Yes.
Stick your finger.
Stick my finger on there. Actually, it's really good.
I know. You want to lick the spoon?
I do want to lick this. Alright, so now we got our delicious looking bowls. Look at that, perfectly clean.
You're hungry when you think the bowls are delicious looking.
Bowls are very delicious. Look at them.
All right, I'm gonna toss the salad.
Ooh,
No jokes,
no
please.
jokes. Yeah.
All right, so let's eat some salad.
Let's eat some salad. Here's your fork. Cheers. Alright, moment of truth.
Take a good bite. Make sure you get a strawberry, blueberry,
Seriously, get everything up in there. Look at that.
walnut.
So I have the walnut down on the bottom and the strawberry on top. I need a blueberry. Got the blue cheese. Oh my gosh. Okay, perfect.
Ready?
All right, cheers. That's really good. Best salad.
You seriously, you can't pick a favorite part.
You can't.
All together, they're so good.
No, it's just.
Like this.
I know. Perfect. Like peas and carrots. This is so good. Best thing about it, eat it with a slice of pizza. Hey! Take all the cheese. That's okay. Thanks for watching our video. We really enjoy doing what we do. Subscribe to our YouTube channel, follow us on Instagram, follow us on Facebook, and we're now on Twitter. So,
Are we?
Yeah. So follow us wherever, you know?
We love making these videos. We're doing our favorite stuff and we're really hoping that you guys enjoy it too, because why not? Let's share.
Take care, everyone.
Good night, guys.